Are you dreaming of sipping an espresso in a charming Italian cafe or strolling through the historic streets of Rome, Florence or Venice? Well, you're not alone, and moving to Italy is a life-changing adventure. And today I'm going to guide you through the entire process, from planning to finally make Italy your new home. This is the ultimate guide on how to move to Italy, with all the tips, tricks and must-know to make your transition smooth and exciting. Amici miei, welcome back to yet another video, and today, as you saw from the title, I'm gonna help you to move to Italy. So why move to Italy? Italy is known for its incredible history, delicious food and stunning landscapes. But beyond the romanticized view, Italy offers great healthcare, a rich cultural experience, and a slower pace of life that many expats finds irresistible. Whether you're moving for work, love, or a change in general, there is something magical about Italy that draws people in. Planning your move. Before you start packing, planning is key. First of all, you need to decide where in Italy you want to live. Do you prefer the hustle and bustle of big cities like Rome, Milan or Turin? Or are you more drawn about the tranquil city in the Tuscany countryside or Umbria? You need to research the cost of living in different regions and factor in your personal needs, like proximity to work or access to public transportation, because theoretically you might not have a car as soon as you move there. Next, you need to secure the necessary paperwork. For non-EU citizens, this means applying for a visa, like a work visa, student visa, or an elective residence visa, if you are planning to retire. EU citizens have it a bit easier, but you still need to register your residence once you are here in Italy. Finding a place to live. Finding the perfect place to live in Italy can be challenging, especially if you're not there in person. I recommend starting your research on websites like Idealista, Immobiliare.it, or even Facebook groups for expats. I am not affiliated to any of these websites, by the way. If you can, of course, visit Italy, have a look at these apartments beforehand and in general before committing. And very, very important, don't forget to take in consideration local amenities, distance to work or school, and of course the type of house that fits your lifestyle, either an apartment, an house, etc. etc. Chapter number 4, I will call this setting up your new life. Once you have found a place to live, it's time for you to set up your new life. This includes opening a bank account, setting up utilities, and getting a tax code, also called codice fiscale in Italian, which is needed for almost everything here in Italy. Bonus tip, one of the most important things here in Italy is learning Italian, or at least a bit, because not everyone unfortunately can communicate in English. This will make your life so much easier, trust me. And I can tell you that we Italians really appreciate people who make an effort to speak our language. Tips and tricks for a smooth transition. Now let's talk about some insider tips and tricks. First of all, you need to get familiar with the local bureaucracy. Unfortunately, Italian system can be slow. Make friends with locals or expats that can help you guide you through it. Also remember that we in Italy have a different pace of life. Shop closes for a long time during lunch break, either 2 or 3 hours, and Sundays are usually reserved for families. Embrace the change and soon you will start to enjoy your Sundays and a slower pace of life. Moreover, don't be afraid to explore. Italy is full of hidden gems, and living here means that you have time to discover them all. Enjoy the local festival, travel to the less known, smaller cities, and truly immerse yourself in the Italian culture. In conclusion, moving to Italy is a big decision, but also a huge opportunity to start a new chapter in your life, in one of the most beautiful and attractive countries in the world. With the right planning and a bit of patience, you can make your dream of living in Italy a reality. I really hope that this guide has given you the confidence to take the leap. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave a comment with any tips, tricks or questions that you might have for other viewers. Thank you for watching, amici miei, and buona fortuna for your Italian adventure. Ciao!